Hello everyone, this is Gayatri Negi and in this video we will discuss about LLP registration process. LLP stands for Limited Liability Partnership. Now coming to the meaning of LLP first. So LLP is Limited Liability Partnership is a balanced structure that offers the benefits of conventional partnership, firm and company. LLP is governed under the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 with lower compliance requirement and structured roles and responsibilities like a partnership. LLP also offers key benefits of a company structure like the limited liability of the partners and separate and perpetual legal existence. Now coming to the benefits, why one should register themselves as LLP. First benefit is partners' liabilities are limited. Second is operational flexibility. Third is separate legal existence. Fourth is lower compliance requirement. Now coming to the documents, what are documents are required in case if you want to register your company as LLP in India. First is PAN card. You must have a PAN card of all the partners. Foreign nationals may provide passport. Then second is partners address proof. It could be Aadhaar card, voter ID, passport, driving license, etc. of all the partners. Then photograph, latest photograph, passport size of all the partners. Then business address proof, latest electricity bill, telephone bill of the passport of the registered office address is required. Then NOC from owner or to be obtained from the owner of the registered office if it is rented. If it is rented, then you must also provide your rent agreement. Then in case of NRI or foreign nationals, documents of the partner must be notarized or apostilled. Then what should be the name structure of an LLP? First, it should be a unique name that helps in easy approval of name and to create distinct identity. Second, business object must be clearly communicated. Your business activity must be clearly communicated in that application process. Third is the constitution type. The name of the registered LLP must end with LLP or limited liability partnership as a suffix. So this was all about an LLP registration. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.